everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $3.98 that I plan on putting into all my envelopes. I already figured out my wallet. That's getting $170. So I'll go over the amounts that are going in each envelope. So spending is going to get $30, eating out $30, which actually I haven't even used this budget. I'll probably use this today because I don't want to cook today. And then groceries, $80, coffee, $20. I think I got one coffee this week, so fun. And then buffer, $10. Oh, actually I got two coffees. I need to unstuff from this. I haven't done that. But yeah, that is $170 going into my wallet. That's my weekly spending in my wallet. And then at the end of the week, I will take whatever's left over in here, and then majority of it will go into savings. And then another thing I already figured out was my Hello Spring Challenge roll. I already rolled the dice for this. I've been doing this on my Patreon. This is an exclusive savings challenge that you can get over there. And I've been putting the rolls over on my Patreon. And I did 3 rolls and I got 7 for this last cash stuffing using this challenge. So let me start deducting that from my total. And then the 7, that leaves me with $221. I'm gonna do some of my high priority envelopes right now first. And I think, I'm trying to think of how much I could put because I don't have very much left over and I have a lot of envelopes I need to fill. So I might only be able to do 10s and 5s, possibly. Okay, so extra savings, I'm gonna do 10. I'm gonna start with 10. Month ahead, I'll do 10. In here I want to do 10 in tires. I'm close to being done with this one, so I'm just trying to get there. And then treat yourself, I'll do 10. I'm close to being done with this one too, so that's why I'm trying to get those filled. All right, so it leaves me with 181. And let's see how I can put all this in here. All right, so auto this week. I actually just did a bunch of things to my car. I got my registration finally, which is coming from another envelope. I got new brakes, new rotors, oil change. Like, I'm good for a little bit. So I'm just gonna put $5 in this one for now. But that's why having these envelopes comes in very handy because I didn't have to touch a credit card. I just pulled from my envelopes, and it's really nice because back in the day, something like that would have set me back really like a lot. All right, electronics, I'm gonna put 5 in this one. Lots of 5s for sure. Emergency, 5. I was thinking maybe 10, but I'll just do 5. Furniture will get 5. Rainy day, I actually want to put 10 in here. I need to start focusing on that one too. Okay, so registration, like I said, I already spent from this, but I haven't unstuffed from it. And next month, I'll start saving for next year's registration. I live in California, so we have to pay registration every single year. I know in other states it's different, but in our state, we do have to pay every year. So I will be saving for next year's registration starting in April. And then it's due in March. Road trip is gonna get 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 5. And travel, 5. Okay, 131. I gotta make that stretch. Okay, so actually I'm gonna go into this envelope. So I have beauty, because I wrote the wrong ones first. I usually put the black one first, then the pink, but I mixed up the order. Beauty is gonna get 10, because I actually bought some nail stuff. I used Dashing Diva nail strips, and I just placed an order, and it was about $30-ish, and I have 24, so I need this to be $34. to pay for those nails in my next unstuffing. Clothing, I'll just put 5 in here. Honestly, I'm not putting anything in cost. Am I going to Costco this week? Probably not. I'll just put 5. It's fine. 5. Just put 5 in everything, honestly. Gifts, we'll get 5. Home, we'll get 5. Although I think in household I want to put 10. Yeah. So I only have 15. Pantry's fully funded. Target will get 5. I think I probably will be fine. So I just have this binder and then some savings challenges. Okay, so Go Wild. So Go Wild is going to be my new just planner, paper, convention, expose, whatever, or envelope. So I'm going to a paper expo next week in Anaheim, and I plan on using this. Well, I've already used this envelope to buy the ticket to attend the event, also to attend a workshop, and then I also plan on using this to shop at the event because there's going to be tons of vendors, and I've already seen a list of all the vendors, and I'm really excited to just see the product in person and then get to just shop everything. So I'll be using this envelope for that. So I do want to get, I'll just put 5 in here. So that's a plan for this one. It's just like a fun plannery kind of one, but it won't be saving towards like that big event I used to go to, since it looks like they're not doing it anymore. Disneyland is getting 5. I don't have a Disney trip. Well, I do have a Disney trip planned. Ooh, actually, I might have to come back to this one because next week I'm going to next week I'm going to Anaheim, and since I'm going to be in Anaheim, I'm going to stop at Disneyland really quick to pick something up. Probably get a coffee and breakfast there, and then I'll head to the hotel because the hotel is like right down the street from Disneyland, I believe. I think I've stayed at this hotel, and I remember it being near Disneyland because we walked from the hotel to Disneyland. So yeah, I'm gonna just spend the morning at Disneyland, and then it'll just be at the event later that day. So I do want to get a cold brew, and I want to get maybe a breakfast item. So I might come back to this one. I think I have more than enough though to do that already with the 5, but I might want to add another 5 if I have an extra 5. Okay, I already did tires. Treat yourself, I'm gonna do, oh, I already did that one. Fun, I'm gonna do 5. Hobbies, we'll get 5. Oh, Christmas, I forgot. I'm making this more of a priority, so I'm gonna put 10 in here just to match what I put in the other ones. And then holiday decor will get 5. Okay, let me go to my savings challenges. Okay, first one up is 100 envelope. So this one, I'm just going to plan for 5, and then with leftover money, I'll bump it up to another amount. So just planning for 5 right now for this one. And then, so it's the end of the month. It's almost the end of the month. I plan on setting up my budget planner for April. I plan on taking savings challenge money out that I like to just end each month on and take that back to the bank or put it into other envelopes. And then my other thing I want to do at every quarter, so I will do this at the end of, well, soon. It'll be posted soon. I want to take all these lower amounts here that I have filled, and I want to push them to the high amounts. So I'll be doing that in an unstuffing video soon. That'll be coming soon. So I'm just going to do 5 in here for now. And then with leftover money from my wallet, I will be able to bump it up to a higher number. Okay, so then next I have Cash Stash 1, which is this one. I already finished this one. I haven't unstuffed it yet, and I haven't picked a new savings challenge yet for this one to replace it. But I was going to just do that when I reset my planner for the new month. Here is the challenge I'm working on right now. This is a $10 challenge, so each time you color it in, it's $10, and then wherever you left off coloring is the amount that you've saved so far. So I'm just going to do 10 for this challenge, and then again, with leftover money, I might be able to do a little bit more. We'll see. I have a, let me get my savings challenges. So I have a spring challenge here, which I'm gonna do the lowest amount, which is 8 on this challenge. It's 8. And then I have this challenge here, which I think I'll do 10. So I can color in 2 of these. This is a $5 challenge. Okay, before I move on, I want to make sure I didn't mess up on my count here because, I don't know, sometimes when I talk, I forget if I, calculated over here. So I want to make sure that that really is what I have left over. If it is, then I'll put the 3 into the dollar challenge, and then I still have $10 left, and I could put 5 into a couple of envelopes. So I just want to double check my number right now. So yes, I do have 13. So 3 is going to go into the dollar challenge, and then that leaves me with the 10, and I'm going to bump up a couple of envelopes. Oops, sorry. Oh, I hit my camera. So I want to bump up Disneyland because, like I said, I'm going to go to Disneyland for a couple hours. I'm going to get there at rope drop, and so I'll have 8, 9, like 3 hours in the park. And then I'll leave because I need to be, the event starts at noon, I think. I don't know. I need to double check the times. So I have some time. There's like a little shopping I want to do, and then I want to eat, and that's it. It's a very, very chill day. So I'm going to put 5 in there for that. So I can also have a little bit extra for when I go. I don't want to spend all of it. So we'll see what happens. So 10. And then the other one I want to put into an extra amount. Again, it has to do with me going out of town next week, which I guess, no, I was thinking I could pull it from Go Wild, but I think I'm going to pull it from my road trip money is gas. So I'm going to put 5 in here. 5. Another 5 in road trip. I have one more cash stuffing until, oh yeah, I have one more cash stuffing. I forgot about that. I have one more cash stuffing before my trip, so I need to make sure I get like 20 bucks in this next time. So I'm gonna try to make that happen. All right, but that's gonna be it. That should be the $3.98. Since I had already checked majority of my numbers, I'm good to move on. I don't need to double check everything. And then I'm just going to figure out the tallies now. Okay, let me actually take this out. All right, so beauty is a 10. I'm gonna get a lot of 5s. 10, 5, few 5s here, and then a 10, and then a 5, a couple of 10s, actually 3 10s, and then 5, 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10. Okay, Hello Spring is 7, so that is 5 and 2 1s. Spring is 8, so that's 5, 3 1s. $5 challenge is 2 5s, and then $1 challenge is 3. All right, and then I'm just gonna count the tallies. So 50, I have 1, 20s, 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, and then 1s, I have 5, 8, 10, 13. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply these two numbers. So 50 times 1 is 50. 3 times 20 is 60. 10 times 16 is 160. 23 times 5 is 115, I think. And then 13, well, we'll see if it's right. Okay, and then I'm going to add all these up. 115, 398, perfect. Okay, so where's my sticky note? Oh no, I lost it. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna write on my sticky note all these numbers. So I have 50 times 1 is $50, and then 20 times 3 is 60. 10 times 16 is 160, and then 5 times 23 is 115. 1 times 13 is $13, and that is a total of $398. Perfect. All right, so that is what I will be asking for when I go to the bank today. And that is it for my cash plan. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button, because that really helps out my channel. But yeah, thank you. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.